How to use frames in Canva app. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use frames in Canva app. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So first thing to do is to click on Create Design in the upper right hand corner. And as for me, I'm going to use the phone wallpaper size. So you can choose any size as for your liking, and you could even customize one. Now here below, what you're going to do is to click on the Elements section. So once you've clicked on the Elements section, search for frames. Once you've searched for frames, you can actually see a variety of frames that you can make use of. Click on See All, and there you could see more options to choose from. Say for example, we would like to make use of this specific design or this specific frame. So you can simply resize it and reposition it according to your liking. Once you've repositioned the frame, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on the plus icon here below in the lower left-hand corner. After that, what you're going to do next is that you're going to choose for a photo. If you do have photos in your gallery, then you can make use of that one. If you don't have, or if you want to make use of photos from Canva, you could also do so. There are actually free photos right there. So for example, we want to make use of this specific photo. Alright, what we're going to do is to simply put it inside the frame and double tap it in order for it to be repositioned. Okay, and simply reposition it according to your liking. There. So that's how you add a picture in a frame in Canva. And that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.